Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm going towards explanation number 3 of English literature for class 2. We have completed our first chapter, which is Faiza's Biscuits. Now we are going to start new chapter, The Mullah's Son. Let's take a short preview of this chapter, The Mullah's Son. This is the story of a funny man named Mullah Do Pyaza who worked for the king Akbar. He was very intelligent man and always had answer of all questions. But once his son said something and the first time in his life he became speechless. ये किसकी स्टोरी है? मुल्ला दो प्याजा की स्टोरी है। वो एक बहुत इंटेलिजेंट आदमी था और हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर प्रॉम्प्टली देता था, लेकिन एक मर्तबा उसका बेटा उससे ऐसी बात कहता है कि वो स्पीचलेस हो जाता है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द स्टोरी। Over 400 years ago, there lived a king called Akbar. He was such a great king that he was called an emperor. Akbar lived in a huge palace in Delhi. At Akbar's court, there were many famous people. There were artists and musicians, dancers and poets, and clever scientists and writers too. बहुत सालों पहले की ये स्टोरी है और ये स्टोरी किसकी है? एक बादशाह, एक किंग जिसका नेम अकबर था। वो एक ग्रेट किंग था, ठीक है। वो कहाँ रहता था? He lived in a huge palace. उसका जो कोर्ट था, at Akbar's court, there were many famous people. Do you know famous people? Who are famous people? The people who have some specialties that become famous because of those specialties. Okay? तो वो फेमस हो जाते हैं। इसी तरह अकबर के कोर्ट में, उसके पैलेस में बहुत से ऐसे लोग भी होते थे जो बहुत फेमस थे। और उनमें कौन कौन था? आर्टिस्ट, म्यूजिशियंस, डांसर्स, पोएट, साइंटिस्ट और राइटर्स। There was also a funny man called Mullah Do Pyaza. The mullah made the emperor laugh. When the emperor was sad, he called for the mullah. The servants in the court went off all directions. Soon the emperor forgot all his troubles. He rolled with laughter. जैसे किंग के कोर्ट में दूसरे फेमस पीपल थे, वहाँ एक फ़नी मैन भी था और उसका नाम क्या था? मुल्ला दो प्याजा। जब भी किंग सैड होते थे, किसी परेशानी में होते थे, ही कॉल्ड फॉर मुल्ला और कोर्ट के सर्वेंट्स जाकर उन्हें ढूंढ कर लाते। और जब मुल्ला वहाँ आ जाता, उसके बाद एम्पायर अपनी सारी परेशानियाँ, सब टेंशन्स उनकी ख़त्म हो जाती और वो हंसने लगते। इट मीन्स मुल्ला दो प्याजा वॉज रियली अ वेरी फनी मैन। मुल्ला दो प्याजा really was a funny man. Nothing surprised him and nothing shocked him. He always had something to say. He had a quick answer of any question. जब भी मुल्ला से कोई सवाल किया जाता, वो उसका क्विक आंसर देते, कभी सरप्राइज या शॉक नहीं होते थे। One morning, Mullah said goodbye to his wife and son and went off to the court as usual. His son Rafiq, who was 6 years old, began to behave very badly. His mother was very angry with him. "You bad boy!" she shouted and chased him out of the kitchen. The little boy got frightened and ran off to his room and hid under the bed. Rafiq stayed under the bed all day. मुल्ला दो प्याज़ा का बेटा, जिसका नाम रफ़ीक था, वो एक दिन बहुत बैडली बिहेव करता है अपनी मदर से और उसकी मदर बहुत गुस्से में आ जाती हैं और उसके पीछे भागती हैं. शी चेस्ड हिम. जो लिटिल बॉय होता है वो बहुत डर जाता है अपनी मदर को पीछे भागता देखकर और जल्दी से अपने रूम में जाके कहाँ छुपता है? अंडर द बेड. और पूरा दिन वो बेड के नीचे ही रहता है. When Mullah came back to the home, his wife told him all incident. She also said the boy must be hungry. Go to him sweetly and ask him to have dinner. अब उसकी मदर परेशान होती हैं क्योंकि लिटिल बॉय पूरा दिन अपने बेड के नीचे पनिश्ड होता है. उसकी मदर को ये भी ख्याल आता है कि अब वो हंग्री भी होगा, उसे भूख भी लगी होगी क्योंकि वो पूरा दिन बेड के नीचे था. तो जब मुल्ला वापस आता है, उसकी वाइफ उससे कहती हैं कि रफ़ीक के पास जाओ और उससे खाने का पूछो. मुल्ला went to his son. He peeped under the bed. The boy was resting under the bed very peacefully. जब मुल्ला बेड के नीचे झांक के देखता है तो वो लिटिल बॉय बेड के नीचे आराम से बैठा हुआ होता है, आराम कर रहा होता है. He did not want to frighten him. मुल्ला दो प्याज़ा अपने बेटे को डराना नहीं चाहते. He lay on the floor and put his head right under the bed. The little boy looked at his father and smiled brightly. Rafiq said to Mullah, "Hello, father. Have you been punished too? Never mind. There is a place for both of us under the bed. Crawl right in and make yourself comfortable." Have you got it? For Rafiq said. अब रफ़ीक अपने फादर से कहता है कि अगर आपको भी पनिशमेंट मिली है तो कोई मसला नहीं है, आप भी बेड के नीचे आ जाओ, यहाँ हम दोनों के लिए जगह है. For the first time in his life, Mullah do Pyazza found himself speechless. He crawled under the bed and joined his son. मुल्ला दो प्याज़ा वो शख्स था जो हर क्वेश्चन का क्विक रिप्लाई करता, लेकिन उसके बेटे ने उसे ऐसी बात कही कि उसे स्पीचलेस कर दिया. मुल्ला दो प्याज़ा के पास अपने बेटे की बात का कोई जवाब ही नहीं था. So here is the end of this story. Your today's home assignment. The first is words meaning. The first word is behave, the way you do or say something. The second word is famous, known. The third word is speechless, nothing to say. Number 4, trouble, problem. You will have to do all these words meaning. Behave means the way you do or say something. जो आप बोलते हो या जो आप करते हो, that is called your behavior. How you behave. Famous means known. The person who is known by many people. फेमस वो होता है जो दूसरे जिसे जानते हैं. स्पीचलेस, नथिंग टू से, कुछ बोलने के लिए ना रहे, आप कुछ बोल ना पाओ, स्पीचलेस. ओके. trouble, problem. किसी प्रॉब्लम में होना, ट्रबल, परेशानी में होना, प्रॉब्लम में होना. The second is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is there lived a king called Akbar. Second, there was also a funny man called Mulla Do Piazza. Number 3, Rafiq behaved very badly with his mother. Number 4, Mulla peeped under the bed. Number 5, for the first time in his life, Mulla Do Piazza found himself speechless. Number 3rd objective is true and false. Number 1 is Akbar lived in a huge palace in Karachi. False. Rafiq was 6 years old. True. Rafiq stayed under the chair all the day. No. False. The mullah made the emperor laugh. True. Now you have to do all these 3 objectives in your copy. First, make title page, index, and then start your work. Students, I hope you all have understand this story very well. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video soon. Till that, Allah Hafiz.